In today's video, I'm going to teach you Is Cloudways Safe? The complete step-by-step security guide 2026. If you run client websites, online stores, or business platforms, security is never optional. A hacked website, leaked customer data, or infected checkout page can damage trust, hurt search rankings, and create serious legal and financial problems. A lot of people assume the only way to stay safe is to stick with slow shared hosting just because it feels more managed. But Cloudways approaches this differently by combining cloud performance with built-in security features. To begin, it helps to understand who is behind the platform. Cloudways is owned by DigitalOcean, a major cloud infrastructure company. That matters because strong security is not just about one feature on a dashboard. It also depends on long-term engineering support, compliance practices, and teams that actively monitor infrastructure around the clock. In other words, you are not relying on a tiny unknown provider. Next, let's look at the protection that comes enabled at the server level. Cloudways includes a firewall system powered by Immunify 360. This is designed to filter suspicious traffic before it can become a problem, including certain forms of malicious network activity and denial of service attacks. On top of that, Fail 2 ban monitors login activity and responds to repeated failed attempts, helping block brute force attacks before someone can guess their way into an account. Security also has to extend beyond the server itself, because many attacks happen through plugins, themes, or vulnerable application code. Cloudways works with PatchStack to monitor known vulnerabilities in supported applications. If an issue is detected, you can see alerts in your dashboard and take action quickly. Cloudways also runs malware scanning, and for users who want stronger real-time protection, the Malware Protection add-on can help detect and isolate harmful code before it executes. Another important layer is access control. Instead of sharing one master login with everyone on your team, go into the application's access details area and create separate application credentials. This limits each user to one site's public files rather than exposing the whole server. You can strengthen this even more with IP whitelisting, so only approved office or team IP addresses are allowed to connect through SFTP or SSH. Backups are your disaster recovery safety net. Inside the server backup settings, set automatic backups to run daily or as often as every hour for busy stores. Cloudways stores these backups off-site, which means if an update breaks your site or malware causes damage, you can restore a healthy version quickly. Finally, test everything in a safe environment. Cloudways offers a free 3-day trial, so you can launch a test instance, enable the free SSL certificate